Welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews, guys. Super excited today to bring to you guys a couple of soft boxes that I'm going to be using on my lights later on, and this is by Neewer. So let's get this unboxing started. So this is how they came. I don't think it's going to get damaged that much because it's just soft boxes, but would be good if they reduce plastic somehow. So I've got two. It's a double pack. It was a bit cheaper to buy two, and I have two lights. The third one that goes onto the camera's shoe horse doesn't have a softbox, so I'm thinking of not using that or just dimming it right off because I can see like reflections of that on here. Okay, so they both have protective bagging, which is great for traveling. That's great to see. Wow, that was a bit scary. So it just pops out of there. So I'm not going to open the second one here. Let's just open this one and see what it's got inside. So it's quite big, as you can see, but you can squeeze it right down and just get it into that box, which is good to see. It's got little magnetic stands that you can use to lengthen the softbox. Okay, that's it, and you've got the Velcro here, and you can just basically get it on there. Alright guys, that's basically it. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of this. Do let me know in the comments what you think and what you'd like me to test with these soft boxes. Thank you for watching. Take good care. Bye bye.